Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL 50 series, and now we have to solve one more question on basic join, which is students and examinations. So in this question there is given a table name, student, subject and examination. Okay, so there is given a three table and their column name is given student ID, student name, subject name and student ID and subject name, and their data type has been given here. Okay, so you just have to write the solution to find the number of time each student attended each exam. Okay, so you just have to write the solution for each student, that how many times they have attended the exam. Okay, return the result table ordered by student ID and subject name and the result format in a for example. So here is given an example. Let's understand with an example here. So here is given a student table, subject table and examination table. Okay, and here is given an output. So you just have to print that how many times the student has attended the exam. Okay, so first you have to print the student ID. Let's suppose here is given an Alice whose student ID is 1. Okay, and the student ID 1 has attended math, physics, physics and programming and physics and maths. Okay, so you just have to print all the subject name and attended exam, that how many times the maths has been attended. So for 1 here is 1, 2 and 3, so you just have to count and print the 3 here. Okay, in the same way for Bob, Alex and John you have to write the solution. Okay, so let's first you have to select I will select later. First I have to do from student S. Okay, and then I have to do the cross join. Cross join is basically used to get all the column from both the tables. Okay, cross join subject sub, and then you have to do left join examination E. Okay, and then you just have to do on S dot student ID is equals to E dot student ID, and you have to do sub dot subject name is equals to E dot subject name. Okay, and then you just have to do group by S dot student ID comma S dot student name comma subject name, and then you just have to do ordered by S dot student ID comma sub dot subject name. Okay, you have to select the column student ID, student name. Okay, so S dot student ID comma S dot student name comma subject dot subject name. Okay, and you have to also count the value, so you have to do count e dot subject name as attended exam. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, finally the test case. Okay, finally the test case is running. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.